Hello everyone in Okra Pantry World. So this is Angie here again. So usually I have this little tradition with my kids and my nieces that we usually bake some cookies on Christmas Eve. Just for Christmas, for the fun of it, for to have some fun. School closed, they're on vacation. We get to have fun, right? Alright, so I'm gonna go around, you're gonna see them first. Let's take a look at what we're making today. So we're gonna bake some chocolate chip cookies, some oatmeal cookies, then we're gonna fix a gingerbread chocolate cake, right? Gingerbread man chocolate cake, and some brownies, and then we'll add some frosting, make it really nice and pretty. Okay, alright, so take a look at my helper. This is Kelsey. It's my niece, Carissa, my niece, and Mendel, my son.
Jojo.
Alright, so you can see these are our ingredients here. Some oatmeal cookies mix, and then also we have some chocolate chips cookies here. We got some frosting that we'll use, frosting of course. We got our brownie mix. We're gonna be using that. We also have our cake mix. We're gonna be using that. And also we have some frosting just to make it pretty. And we'll be using for the gingerbread man cake. We'll be using our gingerbread baking pan. I actually got this baking pan at one of our discount shops. Yeah, so you don't have to spend a lot. All right, guys, enjoy.
Again?
Mix, Kelsey. Good job.
Where's the eggs?
Everything blended.
Everything has melted. Yeah. The yolk. What happened to the yolk?